Alright mga kaibigan, kasama po natin si Mr. David Lay ng Karate Development Arts of Sports. Siya po ang head organizer ng 12? Okay, 12 DBL Karate Cup na ginaganap na yon dyan po sa Gateway Mall 2. Ito yung bagong mall dyan po sa Araneta City, and we get to talk to him. Nice to meet you and welcome to Sports Corner page.
Maraming po salamat. Okay. Hello everybody.
First of all, Sir David, can you tell us more about itong DBL Karate Cup? Taunan na ito, and of course, marami kayong mga karateka sa nag-join dito sa tournament to promote, of course, karate as a healthy lifestyle, and of course, to maximize yung exposure nila pagdating sa competitive style of play.
Yeah, this is our 12 of a series na. We hold the DBL Karate Cup every year sa October, because October is my birth month.
Kailan ang birthday mo?
8.
Of course! Happy birthday, Sir David.
Thank you.
And then, other details.
Ito kasi DBL, well, kasi it was organized primarily before by my wife, no? Parang to celebrate my 50th birthday.
Whoa!
Dati. So, tagal na yun. So, yun. And then we found out that there's a lot of yung mga people that are supporting us, di ba? People that are interested in joining, competing, our friends like that, our different club heads, our friends. So yun, naging every year na lang po yung DBL, and they're looking forward to it. Okay?
And aside from KDA, there's also some clubs from Metro Manila and Luzon who competed dyan sa competition.
Yung mga friends ng KDA, or my friends personally, mga senseis, mga instructors, and also basically mga JKS clubs na ka-member ko. So if you're JKS kasi here, we had parang in a way a mutual agreement to support each other. If I have a tournament, you join me. If you have a tournament, my group is gonna join you like that. And friends like that. Kaya importante kasi sa karate, marami kang kaibigan din.
At marami kang makakasalamuhan ng mga iba't ibang mga karate practitioners from different levels, either kata o kumite.
Exactly.
Nagsanib pwersa para makisali nga dito sa competition. And what are your thoughts dito sa outcome nito competition? Although nasa kata event na po tayo, at sigurado pagdating sa komite, magiging explosive ang mismo competition.
Yeah. Because I think there's some players there that they're looking forward to participate here. May mga mahuhusay na players yan. Kaya medyo mataas ang level rin ng competition dito. Malalaman natin mamaya. So, it's gonna be an exciting event, okay? Lalo kung pag-kumite. And then I also had good support and help from sila Ramon Franco, who happens
ASK,
to be
no? ASK.
Yes. He was the head referee of our federation before. And also, kasi si Ramon Franco is also a Judge A sa Japan Karate Shoto Federation. Ka-level kami sa judging. So, yun ang top or highest level ng pagre-referee sa JKS.
And one of those, aside from Mr. Franco, among also the sponsors is Senator Juan Miguel Zubiri, the president of Philippine Eskrima Kali Arnis Federation.
Because his children's, dalawang anak niya studies karate under me for several years already. Kasi si Senator Ming Zubiri is a martial artist. So he doesn't only know Kali, but he knows, alam ko, nag-aaral siya dati ng Taekwondo. He also studied bakbakan under kay Tulfo Ricketts, I think like that, no? When he was young, and then eventually he went to Arnis, and he became also, I believe, a world champion in Arnis, Kali. So yun, since he's a martial artist, I think that there was one time that he asked his fellow taga-congress, no, si
Monsur de Rosario is running for Vice Mayor in Makati.
Yeah, I know.
In the next election.
This is also a good friend of mine. He asked Monsur, can you recommend me a very good karate instructor for my kids? Oh, David Lay. So this is his number, okay. So that time when Senator Mix called me and I answered the phone, he said, "Hello, is this David?" "Yes." "This Senator Mix really." He said, "Is this guy keep joking?" Sabi ko gano'n. Yun, so yun.
So,
Siya talaga yun. Tapos usap kami.
So, alam natin, nagsani-pwesa ang iba't ibang mga martial artists in different martial sports to support each other and of course to collaborate for the future nga ng martial arts. Sinusulong mo, sir.
Importante in our sport also is the parental support. As you can see, there's a lot of people here, mostly also parents and their maybe their siblings also, to watch and their kids support them and play their game. Yun ang maganda dito. So karate kasi parang it also connects you with your family. Para for you to become a good player, you have to have a good not only instructor but also yung family supports you all the way. We're after here yung level of play, di ba? And especially for the young ones, experience, importante sa kanila.
Okay, Sir David, last question. Gaano ka-excel na yon yung inyong KDA Karateka sa mga local, national, and international competitions? And ano yung mga competitions na abangan pa for the latter part of the year?
Well, we're due to have a competition also on November 10 under sa PKTS, which is also affiliated with the JKS. So we just had a competition sa Japan last July, and this was the World Cup of JKS. Ang gagaling ng mga Hapon. Ang gagaling. There was like I think around 38 countries that participated there in Tokyo. And then we sent a delegation of around 43 players. Okay, we came out with 1 gold, 2 silvers, and I think 3 bronze. Sa event na yun. It's a very high level competition because what JKS headquarters did was to also allow their national team of Japan to play also in those tournaments. In that tournament, kaya grabe ang high level. Okay, although we didn't win much, but we did have a very good experience. And to see, okay, so people that can perform astonishing well.
Okay, Sir David, ang inyong pagkakataon para magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga taga-suporta. And of course, imbitahan nyo sila sa inyong gym, which is located at around Ali Mall.
Yes.
And of course, the other events yung maaari po.
Sa mga taong gusto mag-aral ng karate or if you want your kids to have something better to do, okay? For self-defense, di ba? Or to get their confidence and discipline, why don't you come to KDA? It stands for Karate Development Arts and Sports. We're located at the Ali Mall. You just go to the upper ground floor of Ali Mall. You can see our gym and office. Maraming salamat.
And of course, thank you rin kay Sir Ariel and kay Lilo sa pag-invite nyo sa amin na mapuntahan itong event. And we look forward for more events sa inyo and of course, more successes sa inyong mga karatekas. Congratulations, Sir David, and more power. God bless.
Salamat.
Alright.